Hello everybody, my name is Priska Shaibul and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this beautiful model right here. So the first thing I made out of this model is the monitor. The second thing I made out of this model is a keyboard right here. The third thing I made out of this model, and you could turn to the back, is the most important thing, the internet. The fourth thing that I made is a little mouse to move things with. The fifth thing, and lastly, the most important thing, is the controller. It controls everything on this model. If the controller is off, everything goes off. Now, I am going to be showing you the materials you will need to make this model. So the first material you will need are scissors, black tape, white tape, some stickers, a blue paper that is clear, and I used this paper to kind of make my screen. As you can see, you could cut her picture and put it on top like that. And you'll need something structured to hold your model. And now I'm going to be showing you the important thing about the model inside. So the little yellow dot that I made right here is the Google. And this is Cloud. It is not a website. It is a file place where you could keep all the files and documents that you want to save, all on Cloud. And the last thing I want to show you is something really cool that I like to make a lot, is my glasses. So they're not real glasses, they're fake glasses. You could bend them anywhere, as you can see, like this, and then they could turn straight. I made them out of glue. Just take your glasses, put them straight, and then trace it with glue, and then leave it for the next day, and then you have your glasses. Thank you for watching. My name is Priska, and thank you for enjoying the show. Goodbye.